all of you Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am showing with you how to create page on group. Also you can maintain everything by your page. Your page will be have full control. Okay, let's go to main part. First of all, I will go Facebook browser. Also, I will go page profile, switching page profile, and this is our Facebook page profile. And just go to the menu, Facebook menu, click groups. You can see I don't have any kind of Facebook mm, page group. Right now, I will create new group. Also, you will see admin will admin will be my Facebook page owner, but I will give the group name policy public. This is will be this will be Facebook group. How it's look? Just create now. I can share everything this group when I add a new something that time when I upload new something here also will be automatically uploaded. Just I will also change the cover. This cover I will set up there. Download, download, cancel. Also I will check out the group here. Just go to group and also I will see here is group and edit here. So from my photos, no, I will update new photo. I don't know how it's adjust proper. It's have to adjust something. Save, change. Okay, I will go business site. Open the page. Create new post. Just looking for sake. Okay. First of all, I will go to website. Look product. This product I will publish. Just input product picture. This one. Product description. Price. Sorry. This photo I will not import because it's already I have published. This one import. I'll import was this one. Just check out the group. Also, I have seen our group. Just publish click. Just waiting for. Okay, let's go to the Facebook and community community home. Just refresh now. Okay, here is my post. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.